Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, we gotta change some stuff up here. I'm waiting for my new graphics from my graphics guy. Oh man, by the way, Apex is extending the activation sale. So the 250K and the 300K account are still discounted in terms of activation fees. So let's go. Always waiting for my fucking people, man. But wherever my people. Well, let's try this. Let's try something different here. Let's try this. Let's try. I want to see how this works today. Well, I mean, it kind of works. Kind of looks funky. Blocking my head here, you know. Well. I can't tell if it's like... It's blurry, right? Yeah, it's weird. I don't know why it's blurry. Looks like it's sharp there now, right? Just like the sizing is off or something. I don't know. Let's see. We're trying out some new software here. Like that. Just need this like top to come down a little bit. Kind of like right there. I don't know. We'll frame it out later. Let's make some money first, people. Made that with Microsoft Paint. Yes, exactly. I couldn't afford the app, you know, the Photoshop. Couldn't afford the Photoshop. I want to try what this looks like. Copy goes here. Look at that, we're still fancy now. Do you still live on the water? Yeah, would I not live on, why would I not live on the water? Fuck, now the thing's gone. Only prop firms, what are you doing? You changed there, it's back. Wait, is it supposed to come in like later like that, or do you change that? We'll see. All right. We're messing with some new graphics here. Still gotta figure out all the nuances. PW, did you actually buy the WRX? I did. I bought a fucking WRX. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you exactly why here in a minute. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm actually going to start my very own rally car racing team. Rally car racing team. Man, what a pushback yesterday. We had that double bottom. And look at that, all the way back up to the highs. So quite the range of a day, but look at that, ding, ding, ding. Those lows down there held. The Evo is better. Shut up, inner love. It's not better. Go fuck your Evo. God, why do people always gotta have something to say? Like, what color's your Evo, bro? You know what I mean? What color's your Evo? Exactly. You ain't got one. You ain't got one. You ain't got one. Yeah, well, the Evo is not better. What are y'all talking about? Will y'all shut up? Will you all shut up? I can't deal with this right now. I bought a brand new WRX, by the way. By the way, for everybody in the chat who thinks they're fucking Evo, they don't make Evos anymore, dumbasses. Dumbasses. I bought a brand new 2025 WRX, and I'm turning it into a race car, so relax. It's not gonna be a street car. I'm not gonna buy an old car and then fucking turn it into a race car, okay? Relax. Look at me, I'm out here racing already. Look at me. That's me racing this morning. Whee! That's what my WRX is gonna look like when it's all built. Oh my God, I'm so fast. I was pretty proud of this turn coming up. Watch this turn coming up. Watch this turn coming up. Watch it, watch this. Whee! Ho! Let's go, boys. I've actually booked a rally course class. I'm going to Washington and doing some rally racing academy type stuff out in Washington at the end of the month. So big things popping, baby. WRX are for gay people. Oh my God, guys, I can't. I didn't buy a WRX to be cool. I really didn't. I bought it for a race car. I needed an all-wheel drive race car that was brand new, okay? It's not about fucking being cool or not. I know the WRX is not cool. I don't care. It's not a fucking flex car. I've got a 765. I got a Ferrari. I got a Lambo. I got 4 Porsches. Okay, relax, chat. Relax. God. All right, Nasdaq. Right now, kind of looking a little bullish here. Got a bit of a bull flag here on the 15-minute chart. I gotta go buy some more Apex accounts. My truck sold for like 93,000. Brag, brag, brag. Yes, I'm going to Dirtfish. Hey, Money Jeff. Hey, everybody, listen. I'm rich. I'm a millionaire. I'm fucking rich. Brag, brag, brag. Guess what? I came from nothing. I built everything. I got to where I'm at by working hard. Welcome to the American fucking dream, boys. Hate me, love me, but I ain't ever gonna fucking deny. I ain't ever gonna stop talking about it. I put in the work. I got the reward. All right, here we are. God, like imagine, you know, imagine waking up in the morning and then your goal in life of being like, I'm gonna go on Patrick Wieland's YouTube channel and I'm gonna say that he bragging about being rich. Yeah, no shit. This is a day trading channel. It's for day trading. We're here to make money. We're making money. You know, it's money. I went to the Subaru dealership yesterday. It was pretty funny, actually. Me and the editor, we went to the Subaru dealership. And we walk in, he's filming, and the GM of the dealership, he comes up, and he's like, whoa, 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 what are you guys doing? You can't film here. You can't film here. And I was like, what do you mean I can't film here? I'm like, I'm here to buy a car. He's like, yeah, this is a private property. I'm like, well, can I buy a car? He's like, I'm like, well, if I want to buy a car. So the GM is like arguing with me, and then I see a guy in a suit, right? I see a guy in a suit. Whenever you see a everything's frozen. It's over. Life's over. I don't know why it does that. Why does it do? Oh. This is my new trading system, guys. Look at the graph. We're trading 3D. It's 3D trading. See those little bumps? Those are the candles. All right, you know when to buy, you know when to sell. Okay? Okay. All right. All right. All right. There's no sound now either? Oh my God. I can't. I can't live like this anymore. I need a fucking producer. Who wants to be my live stream producer? I need a producer. Anybody want to be my producer? I need someone to produce for me. I stopped at a guy in a suit. So basically I saw a guy in a suit, right? I see the guy in a suit, and I walk over to him and I'm like, are you the owner? He's like, I'm the owner. I'm like, I'm Patrick Wieland. I walk out and just shake his hand. I'm like, I'm Patrick Wieland. And he's like, and I'm like, I'm gonna buy a car today. He's like, what? I'm like, exactly. Don't worry about it, sir. Just worry about this. This is the funniest part, right? This is the funniest part. My salesman, my car sale, get ready for this. You will not believe it, chat. I guarantee you won't believe this part. No one will believe this part. Check this out. My car salesman. I walk over to his fucking desk and look what he's got pulled up. Look what he's got on the fucking screen. Bro, I'm like, what? What? Crazy. Bro's trading ICT. My car salesman trades ICT. Bro. Oh man, how? I'm serious. This is real. This is really his. And then the best part is, and then I went and did something else. I come back, he's got Apex pulled up. Bro, how funny is that? How funny is that? Car salesman trading ICT, trading with Apex. Oh, what a small world. What funny. No, it was definitely, he was trading ICT because I asked him about what his strategy was, and he told me that he trades fair value gaps. And so he's only been trading for 3 months. I was like, hey, he might be watching the live stream right now. I was like, watch the live stream. Watch the live stream, okay? Patrick Wieland, the biggest, the largest. You know. All right. I gotta buy some Apex accounts. Hold on, let me go buy some Apex accounts real quick. Yesterday you traded worse than Tory. Hey, Andrew, guess what? Go fuck yourself. What the fuck you mean I traded worse than Tory yesterday? I made $25,000 yesterday. Fuck you talking about? Literally, what the fuck are you talking about? Actually. Could have sworn I saw you ripping your McLaren yesterday in Boca. What time? What time, Bangs? I picked the McLaren up at like 3 o'clock. Probably the blue McLaren 765. Yeah, this guy says I traded like shit. Tori's never made $25,000 in one day to save her life. You know, she trades for fucking 7 months to make 25 grand. Get out of here. Get out of here. Tell me you're a retard without telling me you're retarded, you know? Shit. I can trade better than Tory with my eyes closed. Literally. I could put a blindfold on me and I guarantee I can make more money than Tory can make with a blindfold. Fucking blindfold. So did you buy a Subaru? Yes, I bought a Subaru WRX. And again, it's not a flex. I know it's gay car, lesbians drive them. I get it. But I need one for rally car racing, okay? So just let me live my life. All right? Just let me live my life, okay? I know. Trust me, it's not gonna be my everyday car. I'm not driving it every fucking day, you know? Like, relax, people. Relax. Just relax. I gotta text Apex really quickly. Hey, Apex, can you give me... I need 100 free accounts, please. Please update my account with 100 accounts. It's funny. Am I funny? I'm funny. Y'all think I'm funny, don't you? Y'all think I'm funny, don't you? Bro. Wow, look at my new update. So I have this new screen thing that we're trying out. And look at my team. They really updated you guys. Market open coming up at 9:30. Hey, just in case y'all didn't know. Hey, I just want everyone to know that the market's gonna open up at 9:30 here today. Oh, that's pretty funny. All right, little bull flag here on the 15-minute chart right now. Nasdaq, what a recovery yesterday. Nasdaq was down big on the day, ended up squeezing all the way back up to the Friday's close, basically. So we're back. The bulls are back. The bulls are back. When will Nutty Bar come to the BDH? I don't know, man. Probably in the wintertime. Wintertime. Why did I get a WRX and not a fucking Fiesta or a Yaris? Oh my God. God, the questions. Guys, how about this? Don't worry about why I bought a WRX. You just worry about whatever fucking broke shitty car you drive. And don't worry about me, okay? I don't want a fucking Yaris. I wanted a WRX because I think it's at least like, you know, it's kind of a cool car. Travis Pastrana, you know. I grew up The first car that I ever wanted was a WRX STI. That was like literally my dream car when I was 16. My dad wouldn't let me buy one. He's like, you can't make no money with no WRX, boy. We even went to the dealership and I was like, I can afford it. I'll make the payments. And he's like, you can't make money with a car. You need a truck. I was like, what the fuck do I need a truck for, Dad? You can't make money with a car. You know what else he told me? He said, you can't make money on the internet. I said, Dad, how much was the WRX? I think it was like 42,000. $42,000. 42,000. Oh man, Nasdaq. Where are you going to go today? We got a pivot point to the upside. We look here at the hourly chart. What do we got? Hourly chart. 23,000, kind of 500 resistance coming up there on the hour. We're only about 50 points away from there, so. God, the amount of fucking losers in the chat talking about WRX. What are y'all talking about? What are y'all talking about? S Night 45. Patrick, are you still making $500,000 a month? No. Last month I made about 1.3 million. 1.3 million. So we're up a little bit. We're up a little bit from the 500,000. I make a lot of money, okay? That's all I can say. I make a lot of money. I make a lot of money. I had a hard choice last night. I couldn't figure out what car to drive to dinner. You know? It's a hard choice. Is the 1.3 net or gross? I mean, my bank account just gets 1.3 million put into it. I don't really spend any money. And then I picked up my McLaren 765. I did the math on this. I've been running the numbers. I think there's probably less than maybe 5 of these in the entire world. Curacao Blue with a window scoop 765. Oh my God, look at that window scooper. What's funny is people think that the window scoop is for like air intake, but it's actually not. The air actually blows onto the intake. Yeah, who would have thought? On your intake manifold. The air is blowing onto your intake manifold. It's not actually going into the engine. Kind of funny, right? Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Yeah, I mean, my expenses per month, I think I probably do about $200,000 a month in expenses. That's like payroll and just like kind of paying for everything. So make 1.3 million, pay taxes, pay my expenses, then probably like walking away with an easy $600,000, $700,000 net, I guess. Miguel said, you're shitting on everyone in this chat. Show the P&L and we'll open our mouths. The market hasn't opened yet. Sit down, bitch. Sit down, bitch. Sit down, bitch. Show your P&L, Patrick. Show it. Show your P&L. Right now, we got a bull flag here on the hourly chart. Big move up this morning, or I guess overnight, I guess we can call it. Overnight, whatever you want to call it. So. So you pay 50% for taxes. No, last year I paid like, I think it was like 32%. I paid 1.6 million last year in taxes. So, but this year I'm gonna probably pay about 3 or 4 million in taxes. I made way too much money. Making $20 million in a year. It's rough. It's rough, man. Don't cars depreciate? Not the cars that I buy, Linda. My 765 has only gone up in value since I bought it. So my McLaren's only gone up in value. My Lambo has only gone up in value. I don't go buy fucking shit boxes that lose money. How much do I spend on car insurance? Well, I have dealer insurance now, so it's about 20 grand a year, and that covers all the cars. Y'all distracted me. I haven't had time to buy all my Apex accounts yet. ICT is back. Are you worried? Yeah, I'm worried that a fucking psychopath is going to continue being a psychopath. ICT. LOLOL. LOLOL. If ICT is your mentor, tell me you're retarded without telling me you're retarded, you know? Just go ahead and tell me you're retarded. Go ahead and just be like, yeah, no, I'm retarded, Patrick. Well, we know. Now we know. You know, we know. Don't worry, your mentor got kidnapped by the market makers, okay? He's so good at trading that Jesus came down to the earth and taught him exactly when to buy and sell. He actually said that, by the way. He did say that. Like, legitimately said that on Twitter. He said that Jesus taught him how to trade. I swear to God. You don't even believe it, but I swear. Everybody asking about certain influencers. Guys, ain't no influencers making money from trading. We're all just making money off of fucking affiliate shit. Come on. It's you know, like, what are you gonna say? ICT don't make no money trading. TJR don't make no money trading. Ain't nobody making money trading when they're an influencer. Why would you? If I make $1.3 million a month literally just by live streaming, why the fuck would I even trade? You know, who cares anymore? Well, fugazi. I just make so much money. Like, why even care about trading? Selling rips makes trading. Ain't nobody making no money trading. Will y'all just quit? Stop being so gullible. Everybody's so fucking gullible. Y'all, like, literally people fucking trying to sell. They'll sell you a fucking algorithm to try to learn how to day trade. People will be like, I'll pay $1 million for the algorithm so I can learn how to trade too. Yeah, nothing against Rips, but he ain't fucking making money from trading. Ain't nobody making money from trading as an influencer. Y'all stop being retarded. God. It's crazy how dumb people are on the internet. People, they can believe anything. I made over $1 million trading. Yes, I did, but like, that's not how I survive. I don't pay my bills from trading. Jade Cap, guys, it's all the same. Why do you not get it? Why does anybody not understand that every influencer is a scam? Like, ain't nobody making money. The market's open now. Relax, people. Here we go. Market is open. We got the VWAP down here at the 385s. Can we get down there to the VWAP is the question. Yeah, ICT is going to do the Robbins Cup again. Don't worry. He's going to win it this time. I promise you, this time. All right, right now, Nasdaq stuck there below the EMAs for now. We got that pivot point down here. Pull back, maybe touch that pivot point. I mean, sorry, the VWAP down there. So far, just kind of bleeding out. I would love to see VWAP area get tapped. There we go, VWAP now. If they bounce it right off the VWAP, that would just be legendary, wouldn't it? Oh my lord. That would, oh, no way. Almost. Bounced it right off the fucking VWAP there so far. Ding, 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 right there at the VWAP now. But yes, my whole point here is that influencers do not rely on making money from trading, so it's different. If you make $1 million a month as an affiliate, making $20,000 trading is like fugazi, you know what I mean? It's just different. Like, you don't have the same like attachment to the money, you know what I mean? Like, it's just the truth. It's just honestly the truth. All right, Nasdaq just kind of holding up here. Right at the VWAP for now. Right at the VWAP for now. Are you gonna rip this back up here now or what? If we get above that 420s, I think we might go higher. You know what I mean? Right now, the ES is trying to push up. ES is actually making new highs right now. ES is making new highs. Nasdaq's holding up here. Which way does it go? Right there at the VWAP. ES is still pushing. You can see the ES 450s now. ES is making new highs. Nasdaq's sitting down there at the VWAP right here. We got some news coming out this morning as well. Interesting. Nasdaq's just like stuck right there at that fucking EMA for now. Got to get it back above that 420. I'd say like back above 430s or so. Right now, another little bear flag on the 1 minute chart kind of forming. If we get it back above 420s, things could get exciting, could get a little squeeze going maybe. Right there at 400 for now. Looking like trouble though. Below those, as long as it stays below these EMAs, we're probably gonna roll off here next. So let's see. I'm staying patient here either way. Little pushback up there. ES is still continuing to push up. Nasdaq just stuck here at the EMAs. Can't get through the 420s again. The chop is real here. If we start to get through 390s, I'll look for a short here. 390 break, I'm looking for a short. All right. Or a short. Looking for our new lows here. Oh, don't chop on me right now. Classic. She's gonna come down. She's gonna come down. Don't worry. She's coming down. Oh, Lord. Holding that 400 level there again. My stop is basically above 420s there. Shorter right into the VWAP there. Nice work, Patrick. Let's lose that VWAP support. Oh, yeah. Let's lose that VWAP, baby. Come on. First target is like down. Let's go to the 50s here. Get a little bit more out of it. If we start to lose this 80 area, we're going downtown real nice. So let's play it. We got 10 a.m. news here. Nvidia's selling off right now. Nasdaq is kind of holding up here for now. I got my buys. I'm gonna put a stop right above the 400s there. Maybe like 410s. We'll put a stop. It's just kind of holding up there for now. Lose the VWAP here, Nasdaq. Come on. ES kind of holding up. Nasdaq's kind of holding up. Hey, oh God. We'll push back up here. We might get stopped. Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Wow. I might add into this if we start to sell down again. I like this wick just got denied up there, so If we kind of get back into the green here, I'm going to add. That's only if we get back in the green here. No reason to add to the loser there. She wants to go down, man. It's like right there, flirting with it, but... All right, we're adding. We're adding. Need to make a new low here. Fuck it, just chopped. ES, Nasdaq just chopping here. Just too much support there for now. We got news at 10 o'clock. Guys, if I don't ever cover, I don't lose. Think about that. True story. All right, now the VWAP is turning into resistance here. Fuck. Well, I spoke too soon. I do not like that candle right there. Oh, God. Why, market? Why? Why do this to me? Why do you do this to me, Nasdaq? The ES and the Nasdaq right now just kind of both going, the ES is pushing up, Nasdaq's stuck here. I'm gonna get out for now. She just ain't going. So we'll rewait, We're gonna rewait. We'll rewait. All right, you can see how the ES is kind of holding up. ES is holding up, trying to go up here. Nasdaq, though, like different charts, though. We got like, this is the setup on the ES right now, where the Nasdaq's just the opposite, right? The Nasdaq, kind of the opposite of that, so. I think if we get back above 410s, could start to squeeze back up here on the Nasdaq. Fuck, did I literally get, no way. It's gonna push up, right? It's gotta push up. There's no way. I've got 14 Apex accounts I'm trading with right now. All right, there's that little pushback up, but still getting stuck there. ES just kind of dumped. I don't know. I think this thing wants to go down, but ES is sell, sell, sell right now. Look at the ES. ES is back down there. Nowhere going nowhere quickly. Going nowhere quickly here. Oh my God. I want to just chop around forever. I never want the market to move. Some wild. Look at the 5-minute chart right now. Just very indecisive, waiting for those numbers to come out. 10 o'clock. All right, we got about 12 minutes here till the news comes out. Right now, Nasdaq just going nowhere quickly. Our opening range, very small opening range here. The high, the lows. ES is making new lows right now. Nasdaq looking weak here as well. Guess the shorts were winning. Should have stayed short there. Damn it. Should have stayed short there. But right back up again. God damn. Wow. Wow. We're right back up again. Okay. And back up. 410s again. Fuck me. What a wild morning here. Going nowhere. Going nowhere right now. All right, Nasdaq back up there again for, I mean, I guess we got to wait till his news comes out. Wait for the news. Look at that push back up here now. Ripping back up here off the lows, 420s now. Nvidia ripped back up, yep. Nvidia back up there, 170, 124. All right, the Bears getting a little boner candle to the face right now. We got news coming out here at 10 o'clock. What a rip. Oh, ripper. All right, we got news coming here in 7 minutes till the news comes out. 7 minutes. Good time to be patient. And right back down there again. Okay. All right, just kind of waiting for this news. The ES, the Nasdaq going nowhere right now, so nothing wrong with just sitting back, being patient. Just sitting back, being patient, chat. And right back down there again. Nice. Hell yeah. ES is making new lows right now. ES is making new lows. Nasdaq back down here again. Back down here again. This is wild. Wild. Apex is still 1 day pass. You don't have to trade for 7 days if you bought an account recently. Oh. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, we got 6,000 people watching. Come on now. Help me help you. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All right, 3 minutes till the news. Something's gonna happen here. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yesterday's close down there, that gap, 23,277s for the gap here. All right, news in 1 minute. Something's gonna happen. Something. I don't know what it is, but something's gonna happen. Ugh. Ba-dum-bum-bum. All right, news is out. We're stuck below the VWAP still. There at the we're below the VWAP. ES is already making new lows. Still just not losing that 80 area. Just back up here, 400s again. Looks like the bulls are liking whatever news came out there. Oh, man. This is painful right now. If we can maybe rip up here, take out that 450 area, 15-minute candle, like get 430, 436, and then up into here, maybe? Right? Maybe? Or not. Maybe just chop some more. Oh my lord. All right, Nasdaq, big kind of boner candle there on the 5-minute chart, but still stuck here inside the opening range. We have not broken the opening range yet. Opening range holding. Da 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 da. All right. Still kind of pushing there. We got stuck here earlier. If they get it through the 430s, I think 450s there next. ES having some trouble. But Nasdaq looking like she wants to get through the 430s there. There's a 430 push. Up there to the 440s now, 450s. There's that breakout. Big boner candle here on the 5-minute chart. Look at the hourly chart here. Hourly candle coming all the way back up here. We're still inside that 9 a.m. hourly candle, so. Da 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 da. Just sitting back here, still waiting. Something good to happen here. Hard to get long up here right now. ES is not looking too hot right now. ES kind of looking like it wants to roll over. But Troy Creech past his Take Profit Trader accounts. Let's go. Take Profit Trader right now is 40% off. Wee! Ha-wee! Ha-wee! Banana, banana, fee-fi, banana. Nvidia is pushing right now for new highs. Nasdaq will possibly follow here, obviously, with the Nasdaq trying to push up, so. Like that right there. Like that right there, you know, look at that. Nvidia pushing up, Nasdaq pushing up here, 450s now. Brain fart said short here. Bro, will you shut up? God. Why would I listen? Why would I ever listen to somebody named Brain Fart? You know what I mean? Like, come on. Be honest with yourself. Patrick, what did you do with your Nvidia shares? I got out for a very small profit. Like a fucking $1 a share profit. I didn't like that. I didn't like that stuff going on that we couldn't push up after the earnings and all that, so. You listened to him yesterday. Yeah, well, yesterday it didn't work out. I listened to him and it didn't work. So why would I listen to him today? Any idea how to get good at whistling? It's all in the lips, man. Someone said I have the worst chat ever. Damn. That seems a little messed up, chat. That seems a little messed up that you said that. The worst chat ever. That's not nice. That's not nice. Worst chat ever. All right, well, she's going nowhere quickly. Take Profit Trader today is 40% off, no activation fee. Get paid pretty much day one once you're funded. All right, Nasdaq took out the overnight highs. The theory now would be that we sell off. But, you know, it's not always, market don't always do what the theories do. Market don't always do what the theories tell it to do. Oh, looks like Ethereum up today. I bought some of the Ethereum ETF or whatever you fucking call it, ETH. Grayscale's fund. I bought 2,500 shares recently with an average price of $41. We're up 85 cents, baby. We're rich now. Oh my God, Nasdaq, what is happening? What's your code for take profit trader? Come on now. Code PW, always. Always the best code. I mean, it don't look too hot for the bulls here. You know, do we start selling down here? I think so. I think so. I'm short here at the 430s now. I think really went. This is the 1 minute chart, by the way. This market's really going right now. Oh my Lord, it's going. Take some profit here at the 405 just to lock it in there. I like that. I like that. Okay. I like that. I like that. 5 minute chart showing those wicks. Nice little move. ES really ripping to the downside right now. Look at the ES here ripping to the downside. Brain fart. Yes, brain fart was right. We all owe brain fart an apology. He's the smartest and bestest. Brain fart is ICT's mentor. True story. Not even lying. Actually. All right, down there to the VWAP now. I feel like we got to make new lows again. The ES is dumping here. Nasdaq below 400, right there at the VWAP now. Target 343, brain fart said. All right, brain fart. If brain fart is saying it, then it must be right. Nvidia's pulling back. ES is moving down. Nasdaq's trying to move down here. Stuck below the 400s for now. I think we lose this 390 level then. Down 340s makes sense. That's 50% of the opening range there. Kind of building out a little bit of a bear flag here. This music right now is so perfect. So perfect. All right, just sitting there at the VWAP. Wow. Oh, wowzers. More consolidation in the middle of the 15-minute range here, just holding up 15-minute range, going nowhere. Nasdaq looks like it might even pop back up here now. Fucking A. Who knows? If it gets above these EMAs again, the EMAs are just flat right here. It could pop back up towards that opening range high again. It's got to stay below these EMAs. ES is looking weak. ES is at the bottom. Or actually below the opening range low right now. But Nasdaq kind of looking like it just wants to chop around here some more. Bruce, yes, I covered long ago, bro. Looking for another opportunity here to maybe get short if we break below 400 again. But right now, just stuck here. Letting this bear flag kind of form. $15-minute chart, just kind of pushing back up there. Fucking A. And like I said, there's that little pop right back up there again. This market, man. What an annoying trade. And right back up. There's that pop that I was thinking could possibly happen. Look at the 5-minute chart right now. Oh. All right, Nasdaq right back up here. The VWAP today, clearly they like that VWAP level. They like that VWAP, they said. Said, Patrick, we like that VWAP, baby. Give us more VWAP. La 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 la. I mean, there's just not much to do here, really. Just a good way to get fucked up. Every possible direction here. Oh, I didn't even drink my energy drink yet. No wonder the market's not moving. No wonder. Oh my Lord, baby Jesus. Oh my Lord, baby Jesus. Oh my baby Jesus. Trying to, clearly it ain't going down, but I mean, it ain't going up either. So I don't fucking know. I have no fucking idea, man. This is painful. I mean, kind of looking bullish here. Falling asleep. Banana, banana, free fat banana. All right, I'm gonna try a long here. I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm fucking over it, chat. See if I can't get up there through the 70s here now, okay? Give me 20 points, 75 level. Do something, Nasdaq. Ain't no sunshine when the Nasdaq's up. Ain't no sunshine when you're gone. This house ain't getting too long anytime. Nasdaq go up. Nasdaq go up. Ugh. Well, that was annoying. Got 3 points from my target. Okay, whatever. Fuck you, Nasdaq. We look at the hourly chart right now. Hourly chart has like 500 area being Maybe a target. Maybe move this target up a little more. Fuck it. Let's go. Let's go a little bigger, chat. Let's go a little bigger. You know? Let's go a little bigger. Let's go a little bigger. Oh, JK. Just kidding. Are you kidding me? LOL. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I doubled down. I'm doubling down, chat. I'm doubling down. I'm doubling down, chat. Double, 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 double. Do y'all get the double cheeseburger or you get the single cheeseburger when you get a cheeseburger? What y'all get? Double burger or a single cheese? To be honest, sometimes a single's the way to go. Cause I like you get a little bit more crispy patty, you know? Oh my lord, this is not good. Not good. Fuck me. This market is fucked. Absolutely fucked here. You don't eat beef? What the fuck's wrong with you? Oh. Well, this is not good. Not good, chat. Not good. Not good at all. Not good at all. All we can do is just hope and pray. Hope and pray. Buy the dip, hope and pray. And it's gonna go down, down, down. Oh, fuck me. Put your profit target higher. Okay. Hoping and praying. Praying and hoping. Yeah, we're pulling back into the fair value gap right now. This is a textbook fair value gap, okay? You don't even need to look at the chart. Just put on the trade, close your eyes, and just get ready to get rich. It's textbook. This is textbook, all right? There ain't no question in my mind. It's textbook. 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 Did y'all open your eyes? Open your eyes, chat, because we're rich now. I told you just to buy and open. Buy and open. Buy and open. Open and buy. Open and buy. Open and buy. Close and buy. Open, buy. Close, buy. Open, close, buy. Kyle Corpin said that I make him nervous. Fuck, I make you nervous for? Remove the take profit. Okay. My take profit, that is not my take profit. That's the high of day, that green line, by the way, people. I'm long from the 46s here. We're seeing if we can't get through the 72s, up there, maybe 80s or more. Go for 500 push here. Let's do it, baby. Let's fucking do it, chat. I told you. Simple. You just gotta fucking close your eyes and you just gotta listen. I said to get long. Get long. Close them. Don't open them. Just close them. Listen to me, people. Listen. I don't even know what's happening on the chart right now. Should I look? I have no idea. I just close my eyes and I open them. Oh, the market hasn't even moved. Fuck. Damn it. Visit a psychiatrist. Hey, Lucas. Why don't you come here and suck my dick, Lucas? How about that? How about that, Lucas? Yeah, you wanna come suck my dick? I'll let you, you fucking loser. Fucking go see a psychiatrist. How about you come suck my dick, Lucas? Explain the fair value gap. Oh, I was kidding about the fair value gap. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. But honestly though, think about it like this, right? You have this big boner candle, right? The middle of that big boner candle, to retest that, it just, it makes sense. It just makes sense. It just makes sense. Honestly though, even if it's not a fair value gap or not, it's like, that's like the perfect spot to kind of pull back and to retest that little boner candle. It's all about, at the end of the day, people don't understand that the boner candles are what move the market, right? Everybody just sits around and then all of a sudden, boner candle, to the face, boners. Everything's just one big boner. Nobody understands this. I have been trying to preach this very simple understanding of how day trading works. It's simple, my friends. It is simple. All you need to do is know when it's a boner candle. Someone said take some profit. Nah, not yet. Not yet. Not yet, chat. Not yet. They don't call me a million. You don't become a millionaire by taking profit on $10,000. True story. True story, people. There's a big seller at the 480s, though. Oh, God, 50 contracts sitting there. Someone said I'm gay. Yeah, well, you're not gay? I saw a really funny meme the other day. The meme said that if you're not a little bit homo with your friends, that means you're gay. You know what I mean? Like, if you're not a little homo, then that means you're gay. I know, it sounds crazy, but if you think about it, it's a simple idea, right? If you can't be a little gay, if you can't be a little homo with the boys, then clearly you're gay. I know it doesn't make sense, but it makes sense. I had a friend of mine, he might be watching right now. We went on a cruise for his bachelor party. It was his bachelor, not mine, his bachelor party. And I got naked, and he freaked out. He was like, what are you doing? I was changing and I'm getting naked. I'm like, what? You never seen a dick before? Like, if a dude is afraid of a dick, then they might be gay. It's kind of like that thing where it's like, I'm a little, I think that maybe I could be, if I see a dude, I might be aroused. Like, if that's your worry. If you're afraid of seeing another man naked and getting aroused, then that possibly means that you're gay. Whereas, like, if some guy pulled his dick out, I'd be like, damn, I think that's a weird looking dick. You know, I would just look at it and be like, that's weird. That's a weird dick. Do they all look like that? You know, that's what I would do. You think I'm fruity? Shit. Shit, dog. I am everything. You can't put a title on me. You can't put a description on me. I am the Lord, the Savior, the guy. I'm the guy. They call me him. They asked me my pronoun. When Google said, what's your pronoun, Patrick? I said, well, I am him. H-I-M. 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 I am him, poke A-P-T. Fuck yeah, I am him. PW likes looking at weird. I mean, hey, if you got a weird dick, I want to see it. Because I'm interested to be like, damn, that's a weird looking dick. Like, why does your dick look like that? You know? That's all. I mean, it's not gay. It's just the truth. I'm interested. I'd be like, damn, why is it so small? Are they all that small? You know, I'm just inquisitive. No, it's not gay. See, Grit City, you said it's gay. No, it's gay to say that it's gay. Like, for you to be like, oh, that's gay to look at some dude's dick, I'd be like, no, that's not gay. You know? Should I take in profit there at the 85s, or am I gonna be okay, chat? What do you think? Should we keep it riding? Chat, should we keep it going, chat? Chat, help me now. Tell me what to do. It's not kind of gay. Stop saying it's gay. It is not gay to look at your bro's dick. All right? It is truth. Right? You need to see. Be like, bro, let me see your dick. Hey, bro. Let me see that dick. It's just mutual, admiration. You know? It's mutual admiration. What if it's 16 inches long? Holy fuck. Dude, I mean, honestly, like, if some dude had a 16-inch dick, I would look at that. That would be fucking, that would look like he had a small arm, like a third arm down there. The Trump midget that came to the BDH, he said that he's a tripod. What does that mean? I was confused. I was like, what, your dick's a tripod? How does that work? Little midget man. I swear. He said he was a tripod. The hotter the chick you have gives you more flexibility. Gay out. I mean, that's true. If you got a really hot girlfriend, you get people be like, yeah, but you're gay. I'm like, well, I mean, my girlfriend ain't gay. Or wait, maybe my girlfriend is gay because she likes men and I'm a lesbian. I did buy a lesbian car, WRX. It's a lesbian fucking car, if you know what I mean. Yeah, buddy, I'm a part of the lesbians now. Sign me up. America, make lesbians great again. That could be a new thing. This could be a new thing. Chat, this could be a thing. I'm not lying. What do y'all think? Make lesbians great again. I'm gonna make lesbians across the world great again. I'm telling you. You know? All right, almost getting filled there at the 94s. We're live on YouTube. We got 1,000 people watching. Are you loving this, chat? Are you loving it? Are you loving it? Who else can go on YouTube and talk about dicks and make money? Who else? Name somebody. I dare you. I dare you to name somebody. You can't. You can't name them. You can't name them. Ain't nobody doing it like this. Look at that, locking in profit from the 4. I told you. Ain't nobody ever listened to me. The chat's been listening. The chat's been listening to brain fart all morning. You know, the chat's been like, Patrick, you gotta listen to brain fart. He said it's a short. Patrick, it's a short. Why did you not listen to brain fart? You know, literally, what a joke. Literally, what a joke. You know? Like, imagine. Rips does it. Rips don't do shit. Sit down. Don't make me start that again. Don't make me start that again. Don't make me start that again. We already know who the fucking boss is, okay? We already know. Don't start that again. ICT does it. ICT, get the fuck out of here. LOL. What do I think about Casper? I think Casper's a fucking dirtbag that used to sell fucking drugs, and he got caught, and then he ratted on all of his friends, so he got put on probation, and now he sells fucking ICT courses. So yeah, no, I think Casper's a real fucking dirtbag. So yeah, that's how I feel about Casper, the fucking friendly drug dealer. Literally. Like, you'd have to be a fucking moron to if your mentor got arrested for selling drugs, and you're like, yeah, but he changed, Patrick. He changed. He's a changed person. You don't understand him like me, Patrick. You don't understand my mentor. You don't understand my mentor. Like, no, bro. You just getting scammed. You buying a mentorship from a guy who got arrested with a bunch of fucking drugs and a bunch of guns and just being a fucking human dirtbag. And I don't care. I'll say it to his fucking face. Any day of the fucking week, I'll say it to anybody. You sell drugs like cocaine. If you sell illicit fucking drugs, you are a dirtbag. That is the truth. That's the truth. Alien Duck said, I'm a gambler. Well, hey, whatever, you know, whatever. Rob said, I don't care for him, but who cares if he sold drugs? No, we do care. What do you mean? What are you talking about? If you sell fucking cocaine and other drugs, like, you're a dirtbag. He had 70 guns? What do you think he had 70 guns? You think he was just a normal, just a friendly fucking drug dealer? You think a friendly just drug dealer? Y'all fucking retarded. Literally retarded. Everybody in this chat's retarded. Anybody who's defending fucking Casper, you're retarded. God. Yeah, I'm all for it. Have some fun, do cocaine, whatever you want. But when you're a fucking dirtbag drug dealer, that's just who you are. I'm not, hey, I'm all for it. Be a dirtbag drug dealer. That's cool. Whatever you're into. But don't sit here and pretend like you're some kind of like fucking God's greatest gift on this planet, because now you teach people how to trade ICT for $5,000. God. It's a joke. It's literally a joke. It's a joke. You smoked the weed he sold. Bro. Casper did not sell a little bit of weed, bro. He got caught with 70 guns, like $800,000 in cash, a bunch of cocaine. Like, you think that's all he was selling? Like, who the fuck, what weed dealer has 70 guns and $800,000 in cash? Yeah, exactly. God. Like, literally, people are fucking retarded. Like, y'all are fucking retarded. Everybody's fucking retarded. Anybody, yeah, but who cares if he sold some drugs? Who cares? Who cares? Like, no, he was a piece of shit. You know what I mean? Like, he was an actual piece of shit. God. And now he sells a $5,000 trading course. You know, like, what a joke. Like, literally, what a joke. And you're gonna act like, oh, but Patrick, he changed. He didn't change. He just figured out that it was easier to sell courses than to sell drugs. You know? Hey, Garage Boys, what kind of drugs you sell? Like, I love how y'all think it's a fucking joke. My brother literally died because he bought a fucking bag of heroin that was full of fucking fentanyl, and y'all think it's a fucking joke. But drug dealers are nice people. My brother bought a $15 bag of fucking heroin and died because some piece of shit drug dealer put a bunch of fentanyl in it. Yeah, exactly. Oh, but drug dealers, they are nice people. No, they're fucking scumbags. Like you're selling fucking, my brother was literally, he went and spent $15 and died. Think about that. For $15. $15. My brother's dead. Think about that. The world is a fucked up place, man. We're in a fucked up world. We're like, now it's okay. Oh, well, Casper, he changed. You know, he changed. He ruined, you know, thousands of people's lives, but he's a changed man now. You know, he's a changed person. He's a better person now. Now he sells courses on YouTube and never shows any proof that he's profitable. He's changed. Why was my brother buying crack? Because he was addicted to opioids. That's the truth. 100%. My brother was addicted to fucking opioids. What do you mean, why? He was a drug addict. But it all goes back to the same point. The drug dealer that he bought heroin from, it was full of fucking fentanyl and he overdosed. That's the big difference. Y'all fucking, like, literally anybody in the chat who's talking shit right now, you're a piece of shit. And if I ever saw you in real life, I'd kick you in the fucking face. Like, I literally just punch you right in the fucking dick if I ever saw you. Why was he addicted to drugs? Because the fucking world that we live in is a joke, right? It's a joke. The government is totally fine fucking letting, prescription drugs get out there, but they're gonna make marijuana illegal. Marijuana's illegal, but you can go buy Oxycontin. Go get you some morphine. You know, like, what a joke. It's all a joke. Hey, and don't get me wrong, right? I've done coke. I've smoked a lot of weed, and that's not my argument here is not the fact of like drugs are bad. It's just the fact that somebody that sells like a lot of cocaine and a lot of marijuana and a lot of other things, like, it's just hard to like look at that person and be like, oh man, he's a good person, right? Like he's a nice guy, right? So like that's my issue. That's my issue, you know? What's my deal with hating Jay Dunn? He's a fucking piece of, they're all like, this chat, like, y'all are fucking retarded. Everybody in this chat that's like, you're asking about your mentor. Like, Jay Dunn does not trade and make money. He has a shitty ass Discord and charges $5,000 fucking million so that people can learn how to fucking trade in his Discord. Like, what a joke. What a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. Do you still smoke weed? Yes, I smoke weed. I'm not like anti-drugs. I'm just anti-fucking drug dealers who sell, you know, massive amounts. Like, it's just like, it's a difference, right? There's a difference. There's a little different, you know, the guy who's selling weed, you know, in your local community, whatever, like, cool for him. But he's not selling drugs that kill people, right? Selling weed is different than selling cocaine and pills and other fucking illicit drugs. That's my issue here. God. Is it not evolving to stop selling and start trading? Guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't with this chat. I can't. I just can't. My brain hurts. Guys. All right, let's do this. Let's I'm going to have you, here's a serious question, right? I'm going to have a serious talk. All right. I'm all for people bettering themselves, right? I'm all for people like, you know, evolving and becoming better people, right? I'm all for that. But what Casper did is he sold drugs. He got caught, right? And now what does he do? He sells a course for $5,000 to up to $10,000 for his private mentorship, right? And you're going to sit here and be like, yeah, but he evolved, right? He changed. He became a better person. He sells ICT courses, right? Courses on ICT for $5,000. You know, like, What did he evolve from? He evolved from selling drugs to selling courses. You know, it's just like, I don't get it. You know? Like, I just don't how does anybody defend this? How is there anybody in the chat that's like, dude, he changed, man. He became a better person. He sells a $5,000 course based on ICT. Like, that's crazy. That's like, what a crazy world. You know, like, that's crazy. Oh, God. That's crazy. That's crazy. There you go. His royal trades. He got caught. He was forced to make a change. He didn't personally have this really. Yes, exactly. If he never got arrested selling drugs, he would still be selling drugs. Right? It's again, like, I'm not trying to hate on drug dealers. I'm just saying to the fact that, like, at what point in reality are we now glorifying people who are like, man, I used to kill people, but don't worry, guys, I've changed. Now I sell ICT courses, and I can teach you for only $5,000 a month how to start trading ICT exactly like me. You know, like, that's the difference. That's what we need to be like, oh, wait, there's something wrong with this picture. Wow, 10 points. 10 points from 100 points here. 10 points from 100. We got real close there. 525s. I'm still long, by the way, from the 435s. I got 3 contracts left. The people that ask about Jay Dunn, yes, he's a scammer. Have you seen the size of his head? Have you literally seen the size of Jay Dunn's head? Have you? Like, look at this guy's head. Why is it so small? He can't. He's retarded. It's impossible. Like, look at that. Why is his head so small? You can't tell me that this person is smart. You just can't tell me that. Like, look at him.
Show you the exact price action strategy.
It's not his fault. But look at it. His head is too small. Too small for his body, man. You can't be smart with that kind of head. And I'm not even trying to be a hater. It's just the truth. God, I don't understand. Why is this not common knowledge? He's got a Lamborghini that he paid $800,000 for. He has an $800,000 Lamborghini. He's got an $800,000 Lamborghini. Patrick, he got an $800,000 Lamborghini. It's $800,000. He got an $800,000 Lamborghini. God. Y'all, like, it's, you know what, it always blows my mind. Like, the more and more I realize how fucking retarded people are. Like, the majority of people on this planet are fucking retarded. And that's just being honest. It really, like, it's the truth. It really is. Like, it is just the truth. That majority of people on this planet are fucking retarded. The fact that there's anyone out there who is literally, like, watching videos of Jay Dunn and going, wow, he's got an $800,000 Lamborghini. He must be a really good trader. He must have really got good at trading to make that. And by the way, they're not $800,000. Ain't nobody buying these piece of shits. What's the lowest cost fucking Rivolto in America right now? $669. Ew. Terrible. I love that he can't even lie about his car. That's the best part. The motherfucker can't even, he can't even stop himself from lying about how much he paid for his car. Right? That's like, I love it. He's like, it's 800,000. I bought it 800,000. You get why would you pay 800? And it's a hybrid. God. Literally. Motherfucker made a video on YouTube about an $800,000 car, but he forgot to tell everybody that it wasn't 800. All I had to do, Literally, it took me 1 minute to figure out that he's full of shit. Oh, hey, Jay Dunn, you paid $800,000 for a Lamborghini Revuelto? Why would you pay $800,000? You can buy one with only 700. Look how many of these are for sale. Let's look at how many are for sale in the USA right now. Nasdaq's still going higher. Yes, I'm still long. I don't give a fuck. You know, let's just look at the whole country right now. Right? Look at the whole country. How many of these motherfuckers are for sale? This is the funny part. I can't even have 74. There are 74 Revueltos for sale. You know what that means, chat? You know what that means? You know what that means? Does anybody know what that means? Anybody? Does anybody know that? Does anybody know what that means when there's 74 brand new cars for sale? They're shit. Absolute shit. Hey, you know what happens? This is going to be a $500,000 car. This will be a $500,000 car soon. It means that Jay Dunn got his car for cheaper. Well, no, that's not the moral of the story. The moral of the story here is that when there's a brand new car that literally just came out and there's 74 of them for sale in America, that's not a good sign, right? It's not good, right? You never want to see that. If you're going to buy an expensive sports car and you see that there's 74 of them for sale, that is not good, right? Let's take a look at one of my cars, right? I have a 2021 McLaren 765. Let's just get rid of the spiders because, well, it's not the same, but let's just look here, right? Let's just look. Let me show you what a real car is. Let's show you this car. It's only been I paid $390 for my car, by the way. And I want to show you a car that would be comparable. That's got 17,000 miles on it. Still for $439. But again, how many of these are for sale in the entire USA? 32. There's 32 in the entire USA. And this is a 2021 and 2022 car. Right? Duh, that's crazy talk. All right. The funny thing is, guess what? Guess what, chat? Look at this. Guess what? Look. Is everybody looking? Look. The funny part is, there's not one Caraco blue. There ain't one Caracal, not one Caracal blue in the entire country for sale. That's right. My car that I have, there's not one in the entire country for sale. That is the truth. Not one in the entire fucking country. This car right here, this has a roof scoop on it, or has the window scoop on it. Big, it's about a $50,000 bonus or upgrade. Nice car, not bad. $498,000. I would say mine's probably worth more because, well, there are other orange cars for sale. Look, 1 orange, 2 orange. I think that is a different orange. It's like a different, yeah. So we got 2 orange for sale. I can't tell. No, that's a different one. 3. Yeah, oh, that's a lot of them for sale. But you know what we do have? What I got that like this. Check this out. I got these cars. That right there, Caracal blue with the roof, with the window scoop. All right. Oh, $500,000 all day, chat. This car would fucking. This is a better car than Jay Dunn's Revuelto all day, every day. And I know what I'm talking about because, well, I've got multiple cars. Oh, I also have a Lamborghini Aventador. Oh. Look at that. Will you just look at it? All right, Nasdaq stuck there at the highs right now. We might get stopped out on this long. I'm okay with it. We had an amazing trade here either way. So we'll see. Let's see. What do we got? I like to shit on my competition while I'm in a trade, you know? Just makes it nice. That's not how you say that color. Yeah, right, bro. Yeah, right. Caracal. Why is this scoop so expensive? Because it replaces the whole rear window. It's like a $50,000 spec. Carousel. Curacao. I like Curacao better. Curacao sounds better. Curacao sounds way better, I think. Did you go long because of the ES? No, man. I went long because of the fair value gap, man. Look at that. Look at that. Krakow's blue. There you go. My opinion on Q banks. Guys, I don't give a fuck about nobody. All right? Stop asking me about my opinions. They're all a joke. Every fucking influencer is a joke. If you think there's any legitimate influencer out there, you're fucking retarded. God, like imagine having to go to dinner with one of these fucking people. Like imagine going to dinner with Casper. Like what are you gonna talk about? And be like, yeah, bro, what's got no story, got no life. You know, what are you gonna talk about? Yeah, man, my whole identity is selling fucking ICT courses. Like that sounds terrible. I don't want to go to that dinner. No, thank you. PW, are you? No, I'm not an influencer. I am him. Big difference. I would go to dinner myself. I mean, I'm funny. I got a lot to talk about. Why do you hate everybody? I'm an equal racist. I hate everyone equally, okay? Even stock through dark. Come on, guys. The guy's name is Stock Market Wolf. Stock Market Wolf. Come on. Like, tell me you're a fucking scam without telling me you're a scam. Please, somebody just tell me now. What about Jade Cap? Guys, like, it's all the same. It's like, I get it, right? It all yeah, they make all, it's like, but it's just, it's not real. It's not the same. If your favorite influencer makes $100,000 on a trade, right? It's like, it's a fugazi, because it don't really matter. They don't, it's like when you're making $500,000 a month selling courses and selling Discords, like who cares if you lose $10,000 trading? Like, you don't care. But if you're a normal real person, like if you're a normal real person, like it's just different. Like if you don't have an unlimited amount of money coming in every month, you trade differently. Like it's not the same feeling. If you're just a normal person, like it's just, like you don't have the same attachment to money. Like even if I blow up 1,000 accounts a month, I still make $1 million, right? Like it's just like my mentality is totally different than a normal person. It's just the truth. I don't know why everybody like don't understand that. All right, I'm gonna move my stop right there below the 96s. I'm gonna move my stop there, and the market makers are gonna get it. Guys, I'm just like, I honestly hope that people are not as idiot. Like, I hope that people are not as gullible as they seem on the internet, because like sometimes I'd be worried. I'd be really worried about people out there, man. I'd be really worried. Please. I'm not even being an asshole right now. I'm not trying to be an asshole. Like, I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. Please, 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 please. Do not ever pay for some $5,000 mentorship. Like, please don't do that. You know what I mean? Please. Like, I'm begging you, right? Don't do it. Just don't do it. You do not need a mentorship. You do not need a mentorship to learn how to day trade. Like, stop. Why do you think people believe? I think it's just like they see some influencer who drives a Lamborghini and they're like, oh wow, he must really be successful because he drives a Lamborghini. Like, I hate driving my Lambo. I really do. Like, I'm probably gonna sell the Lambo soon because I hate driving it, because it has such a stigma now. Like, I drive the Lambo and everyone's like, oh yeah, dude, fucking that guy sells courses. I'm like, fuck, like it just sucks. Like, Lambos used to be cool and now they're gay because every fucking influencer has one. It just sucks. I must despise TGR. I don't despise them. I mean, I just laugh at all the idiots out there. You know? Like, no one's going to make you rich. It's like, that's the truth. There is no secret. There is no course. There is no mentorship. You know, like, there's nothing. It's nothing. There's nothing out there. Only way you're going to make money trading is like, you got to do it. And it's just like, it's simple. It's bull flags, it's bear flags, it's being patient, it's waiting for something to happen. Like today, what happened, right? We had the opening range, we kind of finally got above it, we pulled back, we got above that overnight high too, so I was looking for like the longs, we get above that overnight high, ding, ding, look at that, just kind of grinded higher now. And that was like the good trade of the day. Everything inside here sucked, but this, once we got back above that, we had that retest, and you're like, well, why not get long here? And it's like, well, I mean, we kind of like, you could have it, got like the theory, but you would have got stopped out there. So I think the moral of this story here is the fact that, like, I don't know why this candle looks so fucked up, but all right, let's say, so we push up, we break out here. It's almost like you almost want that like higher low here, right? Like you want that higher low before getting that, because that's just like your safety net, right? That's your safety net there. We want that safety net. I might get stopped here. All right, fine with me, whatever. But that's that safety net. So the mentorships will never make you rich, so you keep coming back, and that's what makes your mentor rich. That's a good way to look at it, Chad 74. I mean, it's just, I see these kids on fucking Instagram, man. I'm just like ashamed sometimes. I'm like, fuck, you know, is that, am I him? Am I that 20-year-old kid who's sitting there in front of a Lambo talking about how to get rich day trading? Right? And it sucks. Like, I'm like, fuck. It's like embarrassing, you know? It's literally embarrassing. I swear. But I mean, you know, just like, I don't know. I honestly don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm out of my mind right now. Fucking, this is what happens. I got that chop drop, you know, that chop, the chop, you know, chop. Ugh. And I'm gonna cry myself to sleep too because, well, this also happened. I don't even want to talk about it, but I'm gonna talk about it just because it's the truth. I'm gonna show you guys the truth here. Look at this. What a joke. Like, literally, what a joke. What a joke. It's a joke. Like, really a joke. I got stopped out. Max loss in my live account, $10,000 per day max loss. I made 25 yesterday, but literally at the bottom of the fucking, like, that's trading, you know, that you just gotta love it sometimes. Like, it's fucking joke, man. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way, but it is a joke sometimes, honestly. What a joke. Like, are you kidding me? Like, are you actually kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? How? Crazy. That's fucking that's crazy. Why? Like, why me? Like, how does that happen? Oh God, it sucks. So yeah, we hit 10,000 max loss today in my live account. We made 25 yesterday. We're still obviously up 15 on the week. I don't know. What a fuck fest. God, what a joke. What a joke. I don't even, yeah. I don't even know. So annoying. So annoying. Ugh. Gotta love it. I mean, it's just, I just think it's like, it's just hilarious that I literally got stopped out at the fucking bottom, at the low of day. I mean, I couldn't have been any more, I couldn't have picked the bottom better. Crazy. Crazy. Shout out to your detailer. They back your detailing. You gotta hit up, what is it? What's your company's name? No Stain Detailing, South Florida. They'll get you right, get you tight. Tell them PW sent you, they'll charge you extra. They know you got that, they know you got that money. No Stain Detailing, South Florida. I get 5% commission, so use the code PW. You know what?
Car meet here.
That's it. We're gonna have a car meet.
That's gonna be fun. Half the cars are gonna be yours, bro.
All the cars gonna be. I'm not letting no one else. I'm doing a Patrick Wieland car meet. No one else is gonna bring the cars. Got no room. You like my Subaru though? That's what you got. You don't even know about a Subaru. Brand new. Went to the dealership, bought a brand new one. Walked in. I told the guy, I was like, I'm trying to buy a car in 30 minutes. He's like, what? I'm like, yes. Give me the paperwork. I'll send you the money. I want to leave here in 30 minutes. He was like, what? So confused. And then the best, he's like, do you want to buy the ceramic coating package? I'm like, sir, we're about to destroy this car. He's like, what about the interior package? He goes, you know, it's really nice because if you have any problems with your interior, I'm like, sir, we are going to rip this whole interior out and we're going to put a roll cage in it and we're going to fuck this car up. He's like, okay, but what about the tires and wheels? I'm like, you don't get it, do you? You do not get it. I do not need the extended warranty on the tires and the wheels, motherfucker.
You're gonna make it a rally car?
Yeah, I'm gonna build a rally car. We're gonna take the whole thing out, fucking stitch weld it, do a whole new roll cage, fucking handbrake, sequential transmission.
The guy really had no idea he was selling the car to him.
Oh, he had no idea. Like they were just like, what are you gonna do? What? I was telling him, I'm like, yeah. He's like, oh, like, yeah, like. They had an older STI there, and he's like, well, are you sure you don't want to get the older STI? I was like, I don't think you understand what I'm doing here, sir. I do not need an older STI. I'm like, I got places to be. I need to leave here in 5 minutes. I got to pick up my 765, okay? I think I might be the first person with a 765 to buy a fucking Subaru WRX. And yes, we're going to start vlogging all the car content. I got the editor right now working on, I'm gonna start a new YouTube channel. If you like the car content, I actually started a new YouTube channel last night. Can't even find you now. Oh, yeah. This is going to be my new car channel here. No videos yet. We'll be posting a video later on today. So, cars, racing, and money, baby. And then I'm actually going out to, Washington to go to rally school at the end of this month. Doing a little rally action. I'm gonna become a rally car racer. Ask the Subaru dealership the code PW gets a free interior clean. Washington State, yeah. There's a really cool rally school out there that we're going to. This is what we're gonna be doing. And one of the reasons that I bought a Subaru is because, well, the school that I'm gonna go to uses Subarus. So I kind of wanted to have a car here. I don't want to jinx it, but I feel like the fact that I have the simulator. I've been hitting the simulator.
Hi, I'm Michelle from Dirtfish Rally School, and I
don't know if it's gonna help me at all, but we'll see.
Today we are in the Subaru BRZ, so rear wheel drive, super fun, and getting into second gear there. First corner here, rally cross right, nice good trail brake in, giving her a little bit of throttle to help her take advantage of it. Nice little brake.
What y'all know about that? You got a left foot brake. A lot of people don't know about that left foot brake. Left foot brake is the way, man. You almost like use the left foot to steer. I use left foot braking on the simulator. I've done it in real life too, but definitely easier on the sim. So, do I watch F1? Yeah, I watch F1. I was thinking maybe take the Subaru back to the dealership once we rip everything out of it, and then take it back and be like, guys, the whole interior just fucking disappeared. I woke up one morning and the interior just dissolved. I had my detailer, he came over, he sprayed some interior cleaner, and I guess it was too strong and took out the whole interior. Does drifting flat spot tires, I don't know. I mean, they're spinning, so I don't think so. Left foot brake, not smart. What do you mean? Everybody be doing, dude, you got to see these fucking, like, the really crazy guys. I'm trying to find, like, a really good video of a rally car guy. Yeah, well, I mean, go, like, Ken Block, fucking rally highlights, dude. The interior shots are, it's fucking crazy how fast these guys go. Like, this shit is wild. You got a navigator. So we'll have the same exact transmission. We'll have the handbrake. We'll basically have the, I think this is not a Subaru. Dude, it's just flat out. Like, look at how fucking fast they're going. It's crazy. I can't wait. Who knows? Maybe in, like, 5 years from now, I'll be a top rally car racer. Maybe not, but it should be fun either way. No, it's not electric. Turbocharged little fucking 4-banger. Dude, like, this shit looks so fucking fun. You're literally listening to the navigator who's just telling you notes on all the turns coming up. Shit is wild. They got like that. I mean, Ken Block's is the fucking OG, man. And I'm actually really stoked because I'm hiring the designer who used to do all of Ken Block's wraps and stuff, and he's actually gonna do the wrap on my boat and on some of my cars. So pretty pumped for that. We had a meeting, I think Monday. Wouldn't a tire blowout send you into the water? I mean, maybe. Oh. Here's a little question for people in the chat. See if you're smart or not. What do you guys think? What is that scoop? What is the scoop on top of the roof? What does that scoop do? Does anybody know? Anybody? Any car people in the chat? Damn it, y'all are smart. And yeah, it's actually it's AC, basically, and it also what it does is it's basically pushing air into the cab, and it's keeping the dirt out of the cab, if that makes sense. But yeah, that is just going. That scoop puts air into the cab, and it's pushing air, kind of like out of the car, and gets it going. So what's crazy is like I grew up watching videos of like, you know, watching Gymkhana videos and all that, man. Like that shit was just classic. I mean, this kind of shit. You can see the inspiration. This was the inspiration for my Mustang. This fucking car, dude. Oh my god. What I would do to own this car. All-wheel drive. Fucking A. Nasdaq pulling back down here. Oh. Dude. Crazy. Yeah, I know. It got sold a while back at Sotheby's or wherever. You're watching YouTube of a guy on YouTube watching YouTube. Exactly. But, yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll do some... I think it'll be fun either way. Do some car stuff. I need something to do. The problem with, like, the fishing stuff is, like, I can't always just go fishing. You know? And I've got this crazy racing simulator. Look at that thing.
It's perfect.
I was at a car meet the other day, and some girl was asking me, trying to get me to go to some like fucking what do you call it, like simulator bar. She's like, you can come to the. I'm like, woman, I already got my own simulator. This is my old 992. Look, I can do burnouts. Oh yeah, buddy. I'm not sure if I should have kept this car or if I should have sold it or what, but it was fun. Fun car to drive. Speaking of cars, I got to get out of here. Nasdaq's pulling back down there towards the opening range high now, 440s. Just kind of got stuck up there at the highs and just pulling on back down there now. So. Ugh. People build fires inside shacks and drill holes on ice to fish. What? What do you want me to? What? You want me to become an ice fisherman? I don't want to become an ice fisherman. Dude, what is it talking about? A Samir rally car video. Oh, this one.
4, 3,
This is pretty good.
1, go. Fast, sharp right. Fast, sharp right. Sharp right. Sharp right. Listen. Sammy. Listen to me, boss. Sammy, please. I beg you. Fast, medium right. You have to turn the wheel, Sammy. 40. Fast, medium left. 50. Downhill. Triple caution. Triple caution. Stay center. Triple caution. Stay center. Oh. Concentrate, Sammy, please. Medium left, long. Turn in. Medium left. Medium left, nice and easy. Turn. Throttle. Fast, medium left, long. In. Medium right, concentrate. Medium left. Listen to my calls. Medium left into sharp left. You're not concentrating, Sammy. You're watching out and driving. Sammy, you have to listen, Sammy. Otherwise, it is not working, Sammy. Seriously, you are watching and driving. You have to be easy, Sammy. Otherwise, we won't finish. You have to be easy, Sammy. I'm telling you, you are not listening.
Shut up.
No, I'm just giving you advice, Sammy. Into double caution jump. No, stay on road. Sammy, please. Sammy. Fast, medium right. Listen to the call. Sammy, please listen to the call. Sharp left. Sammy, you have to stay on road, Sammy. Otherwise, car will break down. Sammy, you will wreck the car. You will break the car. You have to stay on road, Sammy. Oh, fuck. Sammy, what are you doing, man? Fucking hell. Sammy, can you please concentrate? Please, I beg you. We are wrecking the car. Oh. Sammy, you are wrecking the car. Shut up. Sammy,
Oh man, Nasdaq really pulling back here. I feel like that would be like me with someone here at the BDH trading. I'd be like, no, put your stop. Oh God, don't go long. Oh, go short. What do you know? Oh no, you're losing money. Look at this pullback all the way back to the VWAP. Just kind of bled out. What a move. It just kind of grinded up there, got stuck, and now pulling back to the 15-minute range there once again. So Nasdaq right back down. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. In the DMs. So what a time to be alive there. Wow. Classic. All right, I gotta go. I got things to do, people to see. I gotta move some cars, go drop off some cars, pick up some cars, do all the cars. So I'll see you all tomorrow morning. We'll the irony is that no one will get mentorship from Sammy, but they do from the ICT mentors who are the same in the trading as Sammy. True story. If you guys want, check out Take Profit Trader, 40% off right now. Use the code. How much am I up today? I'm down $10,000 in the day. We hit a 10,000. We lost $10,000 a day. So we live to fight another day. It is what it is. So tomorrow we'll make it back. We're gonna make it back tomorrow. I'm fully confident. Fully confident. No, 10,000 in my real account. Quotes to grow. Just got short at 500. Took profit at 420. Well, fucking A. Fucking A, quotes to go. Nice little bear flag there, huh? I see what you did there. I see what you did. I like it. See you guys later on. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. Peace to the Middle East. I'm gonna dip out of here. I'm gonna dip out. Dipping.